With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so our question is, a particle is in linear simple harmonic motion between 2 points A and B 10 cm apart as shown in the figure. Take direction from A to B as positive direction and choose the correct statements where AO is equals to OB is equals to 5 cm and BC is equals to 8 cm. Now our first option is the sign of acceleration and force on the particle when it is at A is negative. The second option is the sign of acceleration and force on the particle when it is at B is positive. The third option is the sign of velocity, acceleration and force on the particle when it is 3 cm away from A going towards B are positive. The sign of velocity, acceleration and the force on the particle when it is 4 cm away from B going towards A are positive. Okay, so from the given options we can easily clarify that we have to tell about the sign of acceleration and velocity of the particle executing an SHM. Okay, now in SHM, as we know that acceleration and the force acting on the particle executing an SHM will always act towards its mean position, correct? Or let us write it down. In SHM, acceleration and force, that is the restoring force, will always act towards the mean position, correct? Now talking about the first option, that is the sign of acceleration and force on particle when it is at A is negative. Okay, so we have to take the direction from A to B as positive, correct? So this direction is our positive direction, correct? Now when the particle is at A, talking about the first point, so at A, when the particle is at A, acceleration and force will act towards its mean position, or what we can say, it will act in the direction of A to B. So A and F will be positive, correct? So according to the option that the force and acceleration of the particle at A is negative, so option number 1 is the incorrect option. Now talking about the second option, the sign of acceleration and the force on the particle when it is at B is positive. So when the particle is at B, so the acceleration and force will act towards the mean position, that is in the B to A direction, or what we can say is the negative direction, correct? So A and F are negative. So from the options, option number 2 is the incorrect option for us. Talking about the third option, that is when the particle is at a distance of 3 cm from A. So let us suppose that our particle is at point D, which is 3 cm away from point A and going towards B. Okay, and the particle is moving towards B. So what we can say, the velocity will be, so at point D, velocity is positive, correct? And acceleration and the restoring force will also act in the direction of A to B, or we can say in the positive direction. So acceleration and force will also be positive. So the third option is correct for us. Now the fourth option, that is the sign of velocity, acceleration and the force on the particle when it is 4 cm away from B going towards A. So let us suppose that our particle is somewhere here at point E, that is 4 cm away from point B, correct? The distance of OB is how much? 5 cm, correct? So it will lie between its mean position and the extreme position. Okay, so let us suppose somewhere at point E, and its direction is from B to A. So the velocity is in negative direction, correct? So at point E, velocity is negative and acceleration and force will also act in the negative direction, correct? So A and F will be also negative. So according to the option that all the three are positive, so it is the incorrect option for us. So the only correct option for us, the option number 3, that at a distance of 3 centimeter away from the A and going from A to B, our velocity, acceleration and force are positive. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.